So our next tag will be the TMI tag. TMI tag. Where's this? Okay. TMI tag. TMI tag. Okay.
TMI.
You guys ready? All right. So how tall are you?
I am 5 feet 9 inches tall. It's true. I don't know why people always want me to be taller.
What do you mean taller?
I am 5'1".
I wish I was that tall.
I mean,
I would look more like, you know, model-esque and slender.
Right,
like,
but then you have like less guys on your roster.
Yeah, but I don't like to talk to guys that are like shorter than 6 foot.
Yeah,
so
if you like,
but
no,
they would
guys
still,
are 5 feet. Yeah.
But they would still be taller than me though. So.
Right. Well, I'm already tall, so I'm just like, okay, fine. Like, but yeah, as long as it's at least my.
Okay. Oh, I'm 5'6".
That's not much different.
Yes, it is.
No, not really.
Okay, how much do you weigh?
Seriously?
No lying. No lying.
Pass.
No. Okay,
Okay.
I weigh 140 pounds.
Mm.
But I wish I weighed 130.
I don't know what I weigh. Pass.
You weigh 100 and say I weigh 105 pounds.
No, that would be anorexic. No. I'm an African woman.
So you weigh an African size? Is that what
Right.
you say?
Like, I mean, I don't want to be super skinny, but
Okay.
you know.
So I guess Cossie doesn't want to share her weight. Okay, any tattoos?
I am just team no tattoo. Like,
Really?
just leave it simple, effortless, and classy.
Okay. I have 3 tattoos.
He's a lie. If he does not have any tattoos. No, if you have to prove that. Because
I don't have any tattoos.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
No tattoo for me.
I'm about to kill her.
Any piercings?
My ears.
My ears. I also have like my belly button pierced, and I used to have my tongue pierced too.
Oh, really? You're so
I'm just kidding.
sassy.
I want to sound more interesting. Okay, no, I just have my
Okay.
ears pierced. Single pierced. Okay. OTP, which means one true pairing, like the most, like your favorite celebrity couple, or like the best match in any kind of celebrity.
Right, like I wish you asked me
Let me
earlier.
think.
There's just so many though. Like,
Man, I don't.
there's nothing popping in my head right now, but I know there are like tons of amazing.
Oh, Barack Obama and Michelle Obama.
Oh yeah, they're good.
Please.
Dan Jet is good.
Beyonce.
What about Nigeria? Let's talk a bit about Nigerian couples though. I feel like Nigerians did
No.
never meet there in any relationship. You
I know,
catch a
that's the
Nigerian
thing.
man,
It's like,
I say,
you
are you in a
can't.
relationship with her? Well, you're just like, oh geez, like just answer what's already.
But
Yeah.
I say Barack Obama and Michelle Obama.
Yeah, they're like really hot.
I want to be them. Okay.
Like, oh sorry, I like that Fishbone lady, like the lady, she's on Suits, like she's married to Fishbone, Lawrence Fishbone or whatever. Like, I love this two together. It's just like, I know, like people are like, where did that come from?
Okay. Favorite show.
Oh my god.
What?
Like I watch almost every show. There is no show I don't watch. Like, give me a name and I'll tell you I've seen it before.
I have 2 favorite shows. 2
Cool.
shows where like I get so giddy to watch. Pretty Little Liars and Scandal.
Me too. I'll definitely choose Scandal.
One
and
true pairing.
Suits.
So Olivia Pope or Fitz or Jake.
Jake should not even exist. Like, you know, like when you have something
You don't like
good-
Jake?
It's not like I don't like Jake, but there's just like, you just have to just go away, Jake. I like Jake, but just go away.
I don't like Jake. Like, I didn't like him from the beginning. I don't know. I just
feel like what's her name?
I like Fitz and
Yeah, Olivia and Fizz, they have like this like very long history. Like any other thing
I
makes
don't
me
like
just feel
Jake.
uncomfortable.
I don't like Jake.
Right.
Okay.
I love Carrie though. She's having so much fun on this Scandal.
Favorite bands or like music artists.
John Legend. I don't know. I love him so much. But I love like almost every music out there.
Me too. But I say like Janet and Mariah. Like, I feel like I can play their songs anytime and like
you and Janet, both of you look like twins though. Like, I can see why
I
you
love
choose
Janet Jackson. I also love Mariah Carey too.
Right.
Okay, how old are you? You guys know I'm 26. If you guys don't know, but I'm
Yeah.
26. 88.
88 to 26 July.
So I'm a couple months older than you.
Yeah, just a couple of months.
Okay.
But you don't have to say it.
What?
You don't have to say it a lot like that.
What? It's okay.
We're twins.
At least you're the younger one. Okay, zodiac sign. I'm an Aries.
So I am borderline because like when I was younger, there were some books that put me as a Leo because I'm 21st of July.
I knew it.
But now, like
at that times, you can be both.
Right. So I am like, some people might think I'm multiple personalities. Sometimes I'm like super Cancer, and sometimes I'm kind of Leo. But I don't know. I'm just a mix.
I'm an Aries. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac thing. Aries are better.
Right. Are you guys like peacemakers or something? Like,
I don't think we're peacemakers.
Or the person, like every other person, like the middle person, like the nucleus of like everything.
Yes.
I don't know. Yeah, you have that personality.
Okay. Let's see. Quality look for in a partner. Oh my gosh. Why are we just like...
Right.
Because we're thinking about everything. Like quality look for in a partner.
Let's not even start talking because then there won't be
For me, quality, someone that is down to earth and is truly cares about you.
Right.
Truly cares about you.
I second that.
Like a really, and then it's like, that's so generic, but
it's like
you run into guys that are not like that, and then when you meet one that's like that, you're like,
can I hug your mom?
Oh, really?
Right.
Like, can I hug your mom? But yeah. All right. Favorite quote.
You could do whatever you want to do.
Mine is everything happens for a reason.
That's true.
What's meant to be will find its way.
Mm-hmm.
That's my favorite.
Don't let anybody put you down.
Mm-hmm. Okay, right. Favorite actor.
Nigerian.
Do male and one female.
Nigerian or American.
Doesn't matter.
Okay. Can you go first? Because I don't know.
My favorite actor, male. I don't know. Like, based on their skill or based on what they look like.
Right.
I'll say based on what they look like.
Okay.
James Franco.
Oh, he's hot.
James Franco, yeah.
I don't know. I just like so many people though. Like, I don't know. It's just a hard question.
Women, Scarlett Johansson. I love her because I just love the way she looks. Like, I can just look at her all day.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, she's pretty, but like,
that's what everybody says. But I don't know, something about her. I just like the way she looks.
There's something that clicks. Okay.
Yeah, I like the way she looks.
We can't judge you.
Okay, go.
Maybe Angelina Jolie because I don't know, her lips are like
Angelina Jolie.
Jolie. Oh my gosh, how can Denzel Washington? You cannot.
Denzel Washington.
After I watched Junkiel, that movie literally changed my life. Like, I cried like there was no movie I cried like every single scene, like literally. That was a good movie.
Favorite color?
A nude or. I just love so many colors, but yeah, I would probably go for nude.
Who says nude?
It's a color. I didn't make the name up. It's like the color that looks like your skin tone, like nude, like you're naked. That's why
My favorite color is purple.
Okay.
It's royal. That's why I love it.
Yeah,
okay.
Royal's good.
Loud music or soft music?
Depends on the mood, but mostly soft.
Loud. Okay. I like to dance, so any music that gets me dancing. Okay, where do you go when you're sad?
Oh Lord. I don't even remember.
If I'm sad, I go to my bed.
Right, I'll just put on like a rerun of like some show I love or something to just take my mind off it or something. So, and just call somebody and talk.
Yeah, I go to my bed if I'm sad. How long does it take for you to take a shower?
30 minutes or less. If I'm in a hurry, like 5, but if not,
15 minutes.
30.
Even if I stall and like do dumb stuff in the shower, like you just stand there and think. 15 minutes. Okay, how long did it take you to get ready in the morning? We said this already.
Right, we did that.
Well, okay, I'm going to work, 30 minutes. No.
I'm going to school about 1 hour 30 minutes.
I give myself an hour to get ready.
Right.
To go to work. So an hour. Ever been in a physical fight?
No.
You haven't?
No, I'm just not a fighter. Like, I would just talk my way out of anything.
I've been in one fight, and that was it. This was in Nigeria. And
Nigeria. You don't even live in Nigeria.
It was in Nigeria. So it was in Nigeria at my grandma's house, and this girl was making fun of Inky, and then we were like sitting on the couch, and then she came by like behind, and then she like knocked Inky's head.
Oh my god.
And then I got up, and then I beat her up, And then I don't remember actually beating her up because my mind was just gone. And then next I remember like my grandma or somebody broke us up, and then my grandma took Inky and I to her room and like gave us like cookies and stuff.
Aww.
And then she came out
ending.
and she brought all like the village kids that are around at the house, and then that girl and said that if any of you guys, you know, touch my grandchildren, you know,
right,
like that. So
I mean, I grew up.
That was my only fight I ever had.
Right, like I mean, I grew up in Nigeria, so I could definitely share your sentiments. But yeah, I can remember one time I had to go defend my brother. Like this boy was bullying my brother, and like I feel like they need to start talking more about bullying that goes on in Nigerian schools, because nobody really talks about it. Yeah, there is a whole lot of bullying because I have 2 younger brothers. And
one time,
yeah,
in grade school. Inky's friends were like bullying her. They like made fun of her, and then me and my friend, because it was at recess, so you're supposed to be outside the whole time. So me and my friend snuck back into the school and then went in those people's desks that were making fun of her. and we like stole their stuff.
That's cute.
Yeah, we stole their stuff. I don't know why I was such a rebel, because I was only a black child. In
right,
you don't maybe that's why I was such a rebel.
You don't mess with Nigerian girls.
Yeah. Okay. The last time, oh wait, oh, missing. Okay, turn on.
Like what's turn on?
Like a man, turn on. Big arms.
Oh, what's like a turn on a guy? He's
Big
intelligent.
Okay, turn off.
Ignorant.
Cocky.
Yeah, jerk.
All right.
Not caring enough. Can we just talk about this for like 1 more hour? I'm
Fears.
just joking.
Fears.
Being stagnant. Like I just hate being stagnant at any point in my life. Like I need to be doing something that is going to take me to the next level. Like I just hate any form of stagnancy. That's like I literally get sick like anytime I'm stuck in anything.
One of my fears, I feel like that too. Like,
right.
I feel one of my fears is not being able to do what I dreamed of doing.
Right. It's just like I better fall to the ground and pick myself up, but I can't be like on the same level like every like year after. Like I just can't do that.
Yeah.
Like I would just die.
Okay, last thing that made you cry.
Today I was watching Junkie and
oh my gosh. Wait, I don't know last time I cried. When was the last time I cried? Oh, maybe because like I was watching a video of somebody like having a baby.
What?
Yeah, because I don't know why, but this year or maybe like this summer, I started having like baby fever.
Oh Lord. Please do not get yourself knocked.
I would not get myself knocked up. I'm just saying, like,
please stay in school.
Shut up. That's not what we're saying. But I have like baby fever,
right.
So like I really feel ready to like have kids and stuff. So anytime I see like YouTubers, you know, have their like having babies and stuff, like I cry because I'm like, oh my gosh, like I want my own little iffy.
Aww.
Like carry. So yeah, I have baby fever like right now. This is weird.
Okay. That's weird.
So you don't have baby fever?
No. I did see a live birth at an OB clinicals, but yeah, no.
Okay. Last time you loved someone. I've never loved somebody.
I've never been in love before.
I've never loved somebody.
That was weird.
Meaning, oh no, last book you read.
Wait.
What was the last book I read? Maybe it was Gone Girl.
Really? Oh, 50.
I think I read Gone Girl.
I read 50.
But what's sad is that was 2 years ago that I read it, so I haven't read a book in 2 years, which is bad. Because I love reading books. Okay. Meaning behind... No, I read that already. The last show you watched.
Wait, was it Creatures of LA?
What's today? No. What's today? Today's Sunday. So last show I watched...
How to Get Away with Murder. I watched it.
How to Get Away... No, Parenthood.
Parenthood.
Because I watched How to Get Away with Murder before Parenthood. So Parenthood was the last show I watched.
Oh,
that was on a Thursday. So yeah.
Right.
I love that show, How to Get Away with Murder, though. It's really good.
But like my thing is like I feel like what's her name? The lady.
Viola Davis?
Yeah, Viola, she's getting a bit too dramatic. Like she needs to tone it down just a tad bit, but I still love her.
Don't be dramatic.
Yeah, she's getting a bit like this.
But
is
that's
prime
her personality.
Time, right, but this is prime time. Like you cannot be doing the Tyler Perry acting and like.
Okay, last person you talked to, like on the phone.
My uncles and cousins.
Wait, who was the last person I talked to on the phone? Nobody called me today.
I called you. We talked on the phone.
You didn't.
Oh,
call
texted.
me. Oh my gosh! No one called me today.
Oh.
My mom didn't call me. Inky. Wait.
We are gonna
Inky
rectify
didn't. Okay,
that.
last person I talked to on the phone was Inky. That was yesterday.
I'm calling her right now.
No, no, for real. Like Inky didn't. Like no one has called me today. Wow. But last time I had to on the phone was Inky, but that was a long time, like earlier yesterday. All right. The relationship between you and the last person you texted. Let me see. So who did you text last?
You. I'm downstairs.
Okay. Besides me. I'm about to check right now. I hope it's clean.
Oh, I think I texted Corey. She's
Oh,
my classmate.
actually, it was Christine. That's the last person I texted.
Oh.
Last person I texted was Christine. Okay. You said who?
Corey, my classmate.
Okay.
She was just sending some school thing.
Okay. Where are we? Okay. Your favorite food?
Nigerian food? Okay.
Okay, do a Nigerian food
okay.
and then non-Nigerian.
An American food. Okay. Nigerian food. Yam and palm oil. Like I love yam and palm oil. You guys, like I'm a bush girl.
I know my favorite Nigerian food.
You guys, like I'm the girl that like I used to eat outside and my mom would go like, stop eating street food. I used to eat street food. You guys, like, you know, like in Nigeria, if you grew up in Lagos, or you see like people like doing roasting yam or like owa, like palm oil, everything. Yeah, call me. And then after that, I love amala and wedu soup. Oh Lord.
Okay, my favorite food is pepper soup.
Oh, I love pepper soup.
Like I ate it every day.
I need to stalk you, literally.
No,
I need to
real.
take your skin and put it on.
But okay, pepper soup. So American food. My favorite.
I'll say pasta or spaghetti alfredo sauce. I just love alfredo. Shrimp, chicken alfredo. I love alfredo.
I guess I would say pasta. Like Alfredo.
Alfredo?
Pasta.
Yeah.
Like anything
good.
creamy sauce
Right.
pasta. Ooh, that's so good. Okay, the place you want to visit.
Okay. Ooh. There's so many places I want to, like, I want to be that trapped. Like, I consider myself a global citizen, by the way. But I want to go to Macau, is an Asian territory. I want to go to Monaco. And I definitely want to go to South Korea. Oh, I am dying to go to South Korea.
Look at you!
I am so
okay, I want to go to Greece.
That's a good place.
Greece, the Maldives.
Oh yeah, I want to go there.
And I think that's like I want to go to Egypt.
Oh, of course, like
yeah, those three places I really want to go.
Good choice.
Yeah. Okay, last place you were.
Like I went to?
Well, yeah.
I traveled to?
Okay, let's say travel.
Asia. Last place I traveled to was back to Nigeria. Back to Nigeria. Yeah.
When was that?
A while back.
That's not the last place you traveled to. Outside of Cincinnati, where'd you travel to?
Oh! You should have just said that.
That's what I said! Where did I go?
Was it Houston, New Jersey, or Houston? One of those two places.
Okay, last time I left Cincinnati, I went to Canton to visit my family.
Right.
Okay, last time you were out the country.
Asia?
When?
I can't remember.
Was it that long?
Right, it was a bit long.
Okay, last time I was out the country I went to Mexico in July.
Oh, yeah.
Nike's wedding.
That was like a year and a half ago.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have a crush? Celebrity crush?
John Legend.
Do a celebrity crush and then like a real life crush.
A celebrity.
This is supposed to be TMI, right?
Right.
Okay, celebrity crush. You said John Legend.
Yeah.
Who's my celebrity crush? I don't know. Like right now, who's my celebrity crush? Like for real.
Tyson Beckford.
No. I mean, he's cool, but he's not like my celebrity crush. I don't even know. Has to be some kind of basketball player.
Oh, Serge.
I mean, I would say Serge, but then I'm kind of like, because of the whole
right. If you can be with her, you can't be with me, girl. You tripping. He's hot though.
Oh my gosh. Okay, real life crush.
Nobody. Until I'm done with master school.
You know what? I have a crush. I have a couple. No, I just have one.
I thought you were gonna lie now because you said and nothing but the truth.
I have one crush, and that's all.
Who?
Wait, I can't say who.
Oh, okay.
I have one crush. So
okay,
that's what it is. That's what it is. Okay. Last time you were insulted.
Oh,
I can tell you millions.
I don't know. Sometimes
You remember last time I was insulted.
Yeah. Sometimes people's personality can be insulting. The way they refer to you can really insult your intelligence. I don't know, but I really cannot tell you. But it's happened sometimes.
Like your whole like school situation, right?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there are these two mean girls in my master's program, and like they're really mean. I don't know.
Like Cossie's come crying to me.
Right. I'm like really mean. I'm just like I don't even blame them. Like they really don't travel a lot. They're not really exposed to much, so I really don't blame their small-mindedness. Yeah. So we can move on.
Last time I was insulted. You know when last time I was insulted. You were there last time I was insulted.
When was that? Oh!
You won't put anybody on blast.
Right, that was bad.
That was pretty bad. Okay. The last sport you played.
Sport? Probably ran or something.
Yeah, I did track. Last sport I played was track, and that was in high school.
Oh, you meant high school? Oh no,
I mean it was in life. That's also my.
I did not run in high school. I played basketball in high school.
The last song you sang.
Jeremiah.
Yeah, this one.
The
Party Girl.
Johnny Girl.
Yeah, Johnny Girl. Or Johnny. No, Johnny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Johnny. But then the girls were just like, what?
I know. They were so like.
And then I'm like,
so dramatic.
Style. Like what?
So they were like so dramatic.
And it was like the guy was like, I don't know. They was like, you don't know me.
You don't know me, Johnny. Look at yourself. You don't know me.
You don't
see yourself.
Johnny. And then the guy was like, you cannot chop up one and chop it with this. That was so funny. Like I love that video.
My God. Okay. Your favorite chat up line. So when you like meet a guy, like your favorite, like you know.
Like what I tell him.
Yeah, to like get him to talk, I'd be like, you know, 'cause you know how guys are like, hey, beautiful, what's up? Like, do you have a chat up line?
No.
Me neither. I don't have one.
I can tell him he's hot though. You know. I mean,
do you ever tell someone?
Absolutely. Like I would literally tell.
Actually, you do.
Yeah,
you
I'll
do.
tell you that. If you're not hot, I'll not tell you that. But I am pretty much.
I don't have a chat up line because I don't approach guys. I'm too shy to approach guys.
But like, what do you tell your guy? Like, if your guy's doing all the right things, though, what do you?
Mean like my guy?
Yeah. What do you tell him though? Like, let's say he was looking like too good, and like, what do you tell him?
Okay, what would I say? Like, I'll be like, oh, you look so cute.
Right. In fact, I'll
be like, oh, you look so cute.
In fact, I'm gonna make him a Beyonce video. Like, you guys know that Beyonce video, like where she was like, dance for me. She was dancing for some white dude, and she was like,
oh yeah, yeah.
I'll do that one.
Oh yeah.
It was a good video.
Yeah.
That was hot.
Yeah.
BB. Gosh, like I know Jay-Z will be so mad you didn't do it for him, but that was
okay. Last time you hung out with anybody besides me?
Just probably schoolmates or something. I don't know. Corey. Carl would have said her name so many times in this video.
I can't even remember. Like, what's today? Today's. Oh, I was just saying my mom because she came here. My mom came on Thursday. So my mom's.
How hot? Like, let's say you're with your like boyfriend at a club.
It's always about boys with this one. Always about boys.
Right. So you're like at this club and you're like with your like boyfriend. Like, would you feel free to like dance and like, you know, really dance though?
Like when we're in the club?
Right.
Yeah.
Like dance, like.
Yeah.
That kind of dance.
Like, yeah, just dancing, right?
Okay.
Yeah, just dancing.
Okay, your turn.
Okay. I don't even know what question. Should it be like a relationship question? Like
I don't care.
Okay. I don't even know.
Last time I went to church.
Last time I went to church was today. Today
Right.
is Sunday. Okay. Okay, name. Okay, besides like being a jerk and being cocky, like another turnoff.
Oh my gosh, like I could go on and on. It would take me like 1 hour to list all my turn-offs in like a guy.
Mm-hmm.
So
Name one. Name one.
Okay. Annoying.
Somebody that's annoying.
Yeah.
What's a turnoff? Okay, I don't. That's the same thing we just said. Okay, maybe a guy that doesn't. Like he's not aware.
Right.
He's
like,
not aware of like. You.
Oh.
As
yeah.
in like, you know, like a guy that. I mean, some guys are like that, but one that's like, you're like, hello, I'm right here. Okay.
Right. And then, you know, like those guys like that, like you're just getting to know them and they're telling you like you're going on and on about your girlfriends.
Oh, you know
like,
what?
That same negative things. I'm just like, okay, I would never date you. Like that is a no-no. Shut up.
No, what I just said, scratch that. My one annoyance is a guy that's insecure.
Oh, no, we cannot.
Insecure guy. Because those guys are like, it's like they're different.
Right.
Like you can't even deal with them. Like the ones that are insecure.
There's no need. You're
like,
gonna have a hard time
insecure.
dealing with that.
Like so like insecure, like I'm so annoyed right now. Just so insecure. I can't deal with guys like that. Anyways, let's put on some music and dance.
Okay, yeah. Let's change. Put another one. Change.
Oh my gosh.
And then like try all the lip colors and like the makeup. Yeah.
Okay, so I would say an hour and a half to 2 hours.